in Muqasamatul Jadd, or inheritance of the grandfather from the very beginning. We mentioned that according to Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayh, grandfather deprives all brothers and sisters from inheritance, like father. When somebody passes away, his father is alive, so his brothers and sisters cannot take anything from his property. It will go to the father as residue. So Imam rahmatullahi alayhi says, same is the case of the grandfather. But the mazhab of Sahibain, Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad, rahimahum Allah, that is based on the fatwa of Zayd ibn Sabit, raziyallahu ta'ala an. Zayd ibn Sabit, he is of the view that brothers and sisters, they are linked to the deceased through father of them. Yes? And same is the case of the grandfather. He is linked to the deceased through that father. Like, this is Zayd, who died. Got it?
Yes.
Now, Zayd has a father. This is Amr. And his father is Khalid, which is the grandfather. Grandfather of whom?
Zayd.
Zayd. And now, Zayd has this father, Amr. And Amr has his son, which is Walid. So now this Walid, the brother of Zayd, is also connected to Zayd through Amr. And Khalid, his grandfather, is connected to Zayd also. So he said that one link is here and one link is there. This is from this side and that is from that side. But link is one and the same. So they may be treated equally. But there are different shapes, as we mentioned before, that whatever is good for the grandfather, we will go for that. That is the mazhab of Zayd ibn Sabit. So sometime 1/6 is good for the grandfather, so then we give him the share. Then we give him the share. And sometime to have an equal share to that of the brother of the deceased, that is good for him. So then we make him as residue with the brother of the deceased. Got it? So it depends, as we mentioned before. But going back to the same issue which we solved the last time, and that is that even though even though that is the mazhab of Zayd ibn Sabit radiyallahu ta'ala an, being taken into consideration by Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad rahimahum Allah, but we were referring to that issue of a lady from Banu Akdar, and that's why the issue is also called Al-Akdariyah. Got it? Yes. And the issue was like that. First, we will solve it according to Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayh. Zainab died, and she left behind the husband, the mother, the grandfather, and a full sister. So now, according to Abu Hanifa, the case will be that grandfather, he is just like father. So it means the sister is dropped. she cannot take anything. So here will be the husband, the mother, and the grandfather. So husband will take, in this case, what? Half. And the mother will take?
1/6. One third.
1/3. What?
1/3.
1/3. And the remaining will go to the grandfather.
1/6.
So now, here will be like this. Got it?
Yes.
Here will be like this. So husband will take
3.
3. And the mother will take
2.
2. 1 remain, it will go to the grandfather as residue. Yes, and in this case, 1/6, which is the share of the father or the grandfather. So that is also 1 out of 6. Yes, and the remaining as residue, that's also, yes, 1 out of 6. So whatever, this is according to Abu Hanifa. And to this one, we will write deprived. This is to Abu Hanifa. But to Abu Yusuf and Muhammad, here, if we will full sisters. So now the full sister could not be dropped as that is the mazhab of Zayd ibn Sabit being taken by Abu Yusuf and Muhammad, rahimahumullah. But here, what we will do, we will consider the grandfather as a sharer, or we will consider him as a residue from the very beginning or after solution of the issue. So here, the husband will take half. The mother will take
1/3. 1/3.
1/3. And the grandfather will take 1/6. And the sister, half. The sister will take half. So, will be like this.
6.
So the husband will take
3.
3. The mother,
2.
2. The grandfather,
1.
1.
Still.
So, it means that the full sister, she is dropped automatically. No, she will take half. What is?
3.
3. So, it will become like this. Got it?
Yes.
But here, the grandfather is taking less than the sister. He is taking 1 out of 9. And the full sister is taking
3 out of 9.
3 out of 9. So he is taking 1/9, and the sister is taking 1/3. Got it?
Got it.
So that's why Zayd ibn Sabit, he said this is not okay. Got it? The second thing is, if we will consider this grandfather and full sister both as a residue, as what?
Residue.
As a residue. So now, if we will consider them both as a residue, so then we will say that grandfather is considered like a brother. Got it?
Got it.
So now, here the case will be, husband is taking half, mother is taking
1/3.
1/6 now.
1/6.
Because grandfather is considered as a brother. Got it?
So-
And when there is more than one brother or sister, so then the mother takes 1/6 and not 1/3.
So,
If the brother or sister is only one, so the mother is taking 1/3. Got it? But if they are two,
1/6.
so then she is taking
1/6.
1/6. Even in certain cases, in
So-
certain cases, the brother are not taking their share, but they decrease the share of mother from 1/3 to 1/6. Got it?
Yes.
They themselves, they are deprived. Yes, but yes, they dropped the mother from 1/3 to
1/6.
1/6. Like if instead of grandfather, the father is alive. instead of grandfather?
Father is
The father is alive. So what would be done? Father would be considered as a residue. Yes? And there are two sisters. Yeah? So because of father, the sisters are not taking anything. Sisters are not taking anything, but they draw the share of their mother from 1/3 to 1/6. So anyhow, now if that is 1/3, so the case will be the husband is taking
3.
huh?
3.
3, and the mother is taking
1.
1. So now how much remain? 2. 2 or 1?
2.
2. So now 2. This is like brother and their sister. So altogether they are
3.
3.
Times 3.
Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
So 3 into 3 and 1 into 3. And here the remaining was 2.
To 1.
Yes?
Yes.
The remaining was 2. So 2 multiplied by
3.
3.
6.
6. So this 6 would be distributed to them like 4 and 2. Got it? Like this. This is the case. Got it? Why? How much? Huh?
That's a
Huh?
18. 9 is short.
Huh?
9 is missing.
9 is missing?
9, 3, 4.
What? Let me see it.
2. 1 plus 3 is 4.
Huh?
I think.
No, not 1 plus 3. That is gone.
Okay.
That is gone. Here we did it in a different way. That look, here, the husband took 3
Yes.
from the very beginning, and the mother
1.
took
1.
1. So 3 plus 1. 4.
4.
3 plus 1?
4.
4. So how much remained from 6?
2.
2. But they are 3 in number.
Yes.
They are
3 and
3 in number. And the difference between 2 and 3 are the relation between 2 and 3 is tabayun. So now the whole number, yes, that is like this.
18. Yes.
Yes, that was wrong. If we multiplied wrong. So now here is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Yes, and here combinedly their share was
2.
2 multiplied by
3.
3, 6.
Yes.
Got it? So this 6 would be divided as
4 and 2.
4
And 2.
and 2. It is like this. Got it? وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين. يلا.